Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most fascinating towns in Italy, Amalfi. Get ready to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Amalfi, a small coastal town in Italy, has a history as captivating as its picturesque landscapes. Once a powerful maritime republic, Amalfi traces its origins back to the 4th century AD. Its strategic location along the Amalfi coast brought prosperous trade routes and cultural influences from all corners of the Mediterranean. When it comes to culture, Amalfi knows how to make a grand impression. The locals take pride in their traditions and celebrate them with zest. From colorful festivals and lively music to exquisite craftsmanship, the vibrant culture of Amalfi permeates every aspect of daily life. Prepare to be enchanted by the warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage of this charming town. Nestled on the stunning Amalfi coast, Amalfi boasts a location that feels like a dream come true. With its cobblestone streets, pastel-colored buildings, and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea, this town is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the rugged mountains, Amalfi offers a myriad of opportunities to soak up its idyllic surroundings. One cannot mention Amalfi without highlighting its breathtaking coastline. Renowned for its dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and charming seaside villages, the Amalfi coastline is a true feast for the eyes. Take a leisurely drive along the famous coastal road, or hop on a boat to discover hidden coves and secluded beaches. Every turn reveals awe-inspiring vistas that will leave you spellbound. While the Amalfi coast steals the spotlight, the majestic mountains that embrace the town are equally mesmerizing. Towering peaks provide a dramatic backdrop, adding to the region's allure. Adventurers can embark on hiking trails that lead to panoramic viewpoints, allowing them to marvel at the beauty that lies below. For a touch of serenity, explore the quiet valleys and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Amalfi surprises visitors with its hidden gems, and its picturesque valleys and gorges are no exception. Lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and charming villages dot these natural wonders. Discover the enchanting Val del Ferriere, where ancient ruins and vibrant flora complement each other, or hike through the Val dei Mulini, where the remnants of old paper mills create a unique atmosphere. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty that awaits around every corner. No visit to Amalfi is complete without a visit to its iconic cathedral, the Duomo di Amalfi. Built in the 9th century, this impressive Romanesque masterpiece stands as a testament to the town's glorious past. Admire the intricate architecture, splendid mosaics, and the famous bronze doors. Step inside and feel the spiritual atmosphere that has drawn pilgrims for centuries. Amalfi's historical heritage isn't limited to its cathedral alone. The town is also home to ancient ruins that speak of its storied past. Wander through the ruins of the medieval paper mill museum, where you can learn about Amalfi's papermaking history. Explore the enchanting cloister of Paradise, an idyllic oasis adorned with intricate arches and lush gardens. These ruins provide a glimpse into the fascinating layers of Amalfi's history. For those seeking a deeper understanding of Amalfi's culture and history, the town's museums offer a treasure trove of insights. Visit the Museo della Carta, or Paper Museum, to discover the ancient art of papermaking. Explore the Museo Civico, where artifacts and exhibits showcase Amalfi's maritime history. Immerse yourself in the past as you unravel the stories and traditions that have shaped Amalfi into the town it is today. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure through Amalfi's traditional cuisine. From fresh seafood caught daily to succulent lemons grown in the region, the flavors of Amalfi are sure to tantalize your palate. Indulge in classic dishes like spaghetti al vongole, spaghetti with clams, or baba al limoncello, lemon-infused cake, for a taste of authentic Amalfitan gastronomy. To truly experience the gastronomic delights of Amalfi, venture into the local markets and food festivals. Engage with friendly vendors as you sample regional cheeses, olives, and cured meats. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of food festivals, where you can savor local delicacies while enjoying live music and traditional dances. Get ready to satisfy your cravings for both food and fun. Being a coastal town, Amalfi is renowned for its exceptional seafood. From succulent grilled fish to delectable seafood risotto, savor the bounty of the sea in every bite. Don't miss the chance to try traditional dishes like scialescelli ai frutti di mare, fresh pasta with mixed seafood, or a simple yet exquisite branzino al limone, sea bass with lemon. Your taste buds will thank you for this delightful journey into Amalfi's culinary treasures. When it comes to unwinding and soaking up the sun, the picturesque beaches of Amalfi have got you covered. With their crystal-clear turquoise waters and stunning coastal views, these beaches offer the perfect spot to lay back, relax, and enjoy a little piece of paradise. Whether you prefer the tranquility of a secluded cove or the lively atmosphere of a bustling beach, Amalfi has options for everyone. So grab your sun hat, slather on some sunscreen, and get ready to unwind in style. In addition to its beautiful beaches, Amalfi is also home to a collection of charming coastal towns that are just waiting to be explored. From the colorful cliffside houses of Positano to the romantic alleys of Ravello, each town has its own unique character and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Take a leisurely stroll through the narrow streets, indulge in delicious local cuisine, and soak up the Mediterranean charm that permeates every corner. Exploring these towns is like stepping into a postcard, so don't forget your camera. For those looking to add a little excitement to their beach vacation, Amalfi offers a range of water sports and activities to satisfy every adventure seeker. Whether you're a fan of snorkeling, kayaking, or paddleboarding, the crystal-clear waters of the Amalfi coast provide the perfect playground. Dive into the depths to explore vibrant marine life, paddle along the coastline and discover hidden caves, or simply enjoy the thrill of jumping into the refreshing Mediterranean waters. With so many options to choose from, you'll never be bored in Amalfi. If you're a nature enthusiast, lace up your hiking boots and get ready for some breathtaking adventures in Amalfi. The region is known for its stunning hiking trails that wind through lush forests, along cliffside paths, and offer panoramic views of the coastline. Whether you're up for a challenging trek or a leisurely stroll, the Amalfi coast has something to offer for every skill level. Soak in the beauty of the Mediterranean landscape, breathe in the fresh air, and let nature rejuvenate your soul. For a truly unforgettable experience, hop aboard a boat and set sail along the picturesque coastline of Amalfi. Whether you choose a leisurely boat tour or a romantic sunset cruise, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the cliffs, hidden coves, and charming coastal towns. Feel the refreshing sea breeze on your face, listen to the gentle lapping of the waves, and admire the colorful buildings perched on the cliffs. It's an adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush, Amalfi is not one to disappoint. From cliff jumping and rock climbing to paragliding and canyoning, there's a thrilling adventure sport to suit every daredevil's taste. Get your heart pounding as you leap from towering cliffs into the deep blue sea, challenge yourself to climb vertical rock formations, or soar through the sky like a bird with a paragliding flight. Whatever your adventurous spirit desires, Amalfi is the place to make it happen. Now that you know about the relaxing coastal towns and beaches as well as the exciting outdoor activities that await in Amalfi, it's time to start planning your dream Mediterranean getaway. In conclusion, Amalfi is a destination that will leave you awe-inspired and longing for more. Its history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes create an irresistible allure that draws visitors year after year. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, savoring its delectable cuisine, or simply relaxing on its picturesque beaches, Amalfi offers a truly unforgettable experience. So, pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and let Amalfi weave its magic on you. Discover the wonders of this remarkable destination and create memories that will last a lifetime. Amalfi awaits you with open arms. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Amalfi and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this town in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.